Hi there. So I wanted to talk about why the YouTube app is completely broken and unintuitive right now in Android. I'm specifically on the Galaxy S24 Plus. And I just want to showcase how bad this app is right now. It's unintuitive and stupid. So let's say I go ahead and make this video full screen. Now, the functionality here, again, is just really bad. So if I am looking at my video, you can see that it's extremely cluttered. There's all this crap going on, a lot of extra buttons that don't need to be there. They could all be delegated to the more category. So the share, the remix, all that shit should just be in the more category. One thing as well, you'll notice that in the bottom left here, the chapter button is showing the time remaining in the video. That's not helpful information. Like, let's say I wanted to make a comment at this time in the video, or a comment highlighting this time in the video. I can't do that because I don't know what the time is. So if I go ahead and click it, it doesn't change back to current time in the video. Like, it should be like, 1 minute in. It just goes to the chapter menu because they're both the same now. The chapter text, indicating what the chapter is also no longer visible at a glance in the menu. Now, another horrible thing that's going on is the fact that if I have a video playing, and if I accidentally swipe from the bottom, it goes to the next video, which is insane. If I go back, you'll notice that it's now at the beginning, and it hasn't saved my progress. So if I'm over like here, right? And I accidentally swipe down. Let's say I want to view my phone menu, for instance, so I can change the brightness. Oops, I'm now accidentally switched. Whoopsie, let me go back. What? It didn't save my position at all? I have to remember where the position of my thing was? If it's a 12-hour video, how the fuck am I going to do that? That is insane. Bad design. Swiping down used to exit full screen, which makes total sense. But now it doesn't. Exit full screen has now been relegated to these two buttons in the top left, and they both do the exact same thing, which is exit full screen. This is terrible design. If I exit full screen, you'll notice the full screen button is right here, right? That's the full screen button. It's in the bottom right of the video. If I click on it, now I have to go to the top left, and if I'm holding the phone in landscape with one hand, that's absurd. I shouldn't have to go to the top left like that. So that's one thing that's terrible. And again, losing your progress in a video for an accidental thing like that is bad enough. But I've also had it just accidentally go to the beginning of the video with just random swipes. Like, I've had it where I've zoomed into the video. It's probably not going to do it now. I've had it where I've zoomed into the video and it just goes back to the beginning of the video and doesn't save my progress. So it's like a ghost touch or something. Of course, it's not going to do it now, but you get the point. Overall, this menu is terrible. The interface is terrible. Swiping down should exit full screen. It did before. It makes perfect sense. And, I think that this app is atrocious in its current state. I think that they should fix it. The end.